welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Jane, your daily hash potato. So it's another day for our DIY Momento. So join me on making this little gorgeous cup of tea gardens or a planters, but I'll be making two different types, like a real one and an artificial plant. So let's get started. I'll be using this soft clay to fill the teacup. This will be the base or the artificial soil so we can stick the things that we will make. Next is I'm gonna use this branch white and cut it into a small to make a path. Now let's put all the small branch into the lines. After putting the small branch, glue the side and start decorating it with artificial green moss. At the empty pot, we will fill and put this deco stone so it will more looks like a pathway. So now we have to start decorating it with artificial plants and other things that we can use for decoration. Now let's go with the real indoor planter. This one is so easy to make because all we need is to put the plant and make your own decoration. So I'm just gonna put the plant on the side and decorate it. I'll just put this miniature house at the sides of the mini palm plant. Now let's put the pink deco stone so it will look like a pot. I'm gonna put this miniature white fence on both sides. Now I'll just add this little cactus.